Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest and most interesting gadgets and accessories to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're looking at the DMVEIMAL braided bands and case for Apple Watch. Designed for both men and women and compatible with a wide range of Apple Watch models, from Series 1 all the way to Series 11. If you're someone who loves switching up your style while keeping your Apple Watch protected, this accessory set might just catch your eye. The first thing you'll notice is the design. DMVEIMAL has combined the watch band and protective case into one color-matched set. This means your strap, connectors, and case all match perfectly, giving your Apple Watch a sleek, unified look. This solves the common problem of mismatched accessories when buying bands and cases separately. And it's a subtle touch that adds overall elegance to your smartwatch. Material-wise, these bands are made from high-quality nylon, giving them a soft yet durable feel. The band is a stretchy solo loop style with a magnetic clasp, making it easy to put on and take off while staying secure on your wrist. The magnetic clasp also provides a snug fit, accommodating a range of wrist sizes from small to large depending on the band size you choose. Speaking of sizes, DMVEIMAL offers a wide variety, including 38, 40, 41, 42, 44, 45, and 46 mm. Ensuring compatibility with most Apple Watch models. There's even a dual 42 mm option depending on which series your watch belongs to. So it's important to double-check your model before purchasing. In addition to style and comfort, this set also includes a protective case with a built-in screen protector. This adds another layer of protection against scratches, bumps, and daily wear, making it ideal for active users or anyone who wants to preserve the look of their watch. The nylon material is lightweight, breathable, and flexible, which makes it great for all-day wear. Whether you're at the office, running errands, or hitting the gym. Installation is straightforward. The band slides into your Apple Watch just like any standard band, and the magnetic closure ensures it stays put without being too tight. The matching case clicks into place effortlessly, covering the watch face and edges while still allowing full access to the touchscreen, buttons, and sensors. This combination of protection and aesthetics is particularly appealing for those who want both functionality and style without compromising either. In terms of versatility, the braided nylon gives the band a modern, sporty look that pairs well with casual outfits, workout gear, or even more formal attire. The elastic nature of the solo loop also means it adjusts comfortably to your wrist throughout the day, accommodating changes in movement or swelling without feeling restrictive. Plus, the inclusion of multiple color options allows you to coordinate your watch with your personal style, giving you flexibility for different occasions. To summarize, the DMVEIMAL braided bands and case for Apple Watch provides a complete package for anyone looking to elevate both the look and protection of their smartwatch. With a well-matched color scheme, high-quality nylon material, a secure magnetic closure, and a protective case with screen coverage, this accessory set balances style, comfort, and functionality. Whether you're a longtime Apple Watch user or just looking to upgrade your accessories, this set offers a practical and stylish solution that can enhance your daily experience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your Apple Watch style and protection, the DMVEIMAL braided bands and case set might be the accessory you've been searching for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product critiques and in-depth looks at the latest gadgets.